Have you ever wished you could enjoy fresh, homemade bread without spending hours kneading dough by hand? Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread, knowing that your kitchen did most of the work for you. No complicated techniques. No constant monitoring. Just warm, delicious homemade bread whenever you want it. Before we get started, if you love discovering smart kitchen gadgets, practical Amazon finds, and products that make everyday life easier, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest recommendations. Now, let's take a look at the Davivy 15-in-1 automatic bread maker machine. This isn't just a bread maker. It's a complete baking companion designed to simplify homemade baking while giving you the flexibility to create a wide variety of recipes right from your countertop. One of its standout features is the impressive 15 automatic programs. Whether you're making basic white bread, French bread, whole wheat bread, sweet bread, gluten-free recipes, cake, yogurt, jam, pasta dough, or simply using the kneading function, this machine is designed to handle it all with just a few button presses. And if you're short on time, you'll appreciate the quick bake function, which allows you to prepare a loaf of fresh bread in under 1.5 hours. Another feature that makes this bread maker ideal for families is its extra-large 3.5-pound capacity. You can choose between 2.5-pound, 3-pound, or 3.5-pound loaf sizes, depending on your needs. Plus, with 3 crust settings, light, medium, and dark, you can customize every loaf exactly the way you like it. If you'd like to check the latest price, customer reviews, and any available discounts on this bread maker, you'll find the direct product link in the description below. Since Amazon pricing can change frequently, it's always worth taking a quick look before making your decision. The Davivy bread maker is powered by a strong 850-watt motor and includes dual dough kneading paddles, helping the dough mix more evenly for softer, better textured bread. The motor is also designed to operate at less than 50 decibels, making it surprisingly quiet compared to many traditional kitchen appliances. The large viewing window allows you to monitor the entire baking process without opening the lid, while the BPA-free non-stick bread pan promotes even baking and makes cleanup incredibly simple. Convenience is another area where this machine truly shines. The 15-hour delay timer lets you add your ingredients in advance and schedule baking to fit your routine. Want fresh bread waiting for you in the morning? Simply set the timer before bed. Once the baking cycle is complete, the machine automatically switches to the keep warm function for up to 1 hour, helping ensure your bread stays warm and ready to enjoy. And in the event of a brief power interruption, the machine can remember its settings for up to 10 minutes, allowing it to continue where it left off. Inside the box, you'll receive everything you need to get started, including the bread machine, a non-stick bread pan, measuring tools, a metal paddle hook, 2 sets of dual kneading paddles, and even protective gloves. Whether you're trying to avoid preservatives found in store-bought bread, experimenting with gluten-free recipes, or simply looking for a more convenient way to bake at home, this machine offers an easy and enjoyable solution. Backhand index pointing right. If fresh homemade bread sounds like something your family would love, be sure to check the product link in the description below. There you'll find today's pricing, customer reviews, complete specifications, and any current Amazon deals that may be available. Since promotions are often limited-time offers, it's a good idea to check before they expire. And if you're enjoying these useful Amazon kitchen finds, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments, what type of bread would you make first with this machine?